Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some treats for you. Your word of the day is harmony. It's time to turn that earthquake into a tremor. Control your emotions, because you can shatter the entire world with one thought, and you have the right to for your emotions in the way that you feel. But to go where you're going, to build what you're building, you need to be your highest self, your most mature version of yourself, where you turn yourself into a vibration, not an earthquake, a vibration where a baby can fall asleep in your presence and not be harmed. That's how you're going to invite so much love your way and support your way. I open myself to the divine being within myself, and I am the image of God. You have excelled to your highest level of self. Now you have to act in that image. Thus, I have the power to bring light into my life. I turn darkness that's inside of me into something beautiful. In the absence, watch this. In the absence of resentment, anger, and doubt, I find harmony, positivity, love, abundance, gratitude. These are the things to replace those other past feelings with, because that will keep you in a harmonized version of yourself, controlling your emotions. Therefore, you can navigate any and everywhere, inside and outside any room, and be effective. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.